welcome back to my dad's channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn the notification, and give us a huge thumbs up. Today, we are going to be exploring our house.
No, we're going to be giving, we will be giving a house tour and playing hide and go seek once we're done with the house tour. So, let's get started. Let's go.
You saw that in me. You saw that. Okay, first we're going to show you our room.
Yay! This is the bed. I sleep down here. He sleeps up here. And these are where the two girls sleep, which are not in this YouTube video. Sadly, this is a mess. Don't mind it. I don't like messes, but it works. And someone broke a drawer. So, yeah, that's his American boy.
This is my friend. His name is Leo Lopez.
And it's wearing two different shoes, but okay. All right, next room, which is the bathroom. This is the shower. This is the shower curtain. This is an awkward rail. That's the toilet.
This is definitely gonna go viral.
No, maybe. All right, this is an awkward closet, and
that's my big sister's room.
Where big sister's bedroom.
Why it's private.
Shh. All right, the next room is the laundry room. Shut up. This is the
my awesome friends.
We may have just started and load. Okay. That's stuff.
This is the broken drawer.
That's the broken drawer.
Bum, bum, bum.
That's from
This is the
TV. That's a couch and clothes because, you know, we're going to Kelly Parks tomorrow, so.
Okay, this is the kitchen.
Counter. That's a fridge. That's a fridge.
That's the mic.
Fridge with a whole bunch of stuff. Now, we're going to go down to the freezer. There's a freezer. That's fridge. Here's a freezer. And another freezer.
And here's like all that. Okay, now the fish tank. Oh, and want to know where the cleaner fish is? It's sleeping.
Where?
And our TV.
Right there. Here, let me see. Look up. Oh, yeah, you can barely even see it.
You alright?
Yeah. This is fishies.
So, we're not the best at making YouTube videos because we're like YouTubers. Which there is a lot of videos, but it wasn't us. We're YouTubers on a channel that has lots of videos. But this is a table. This is the table.
Like,
just a table.
Play-Doh stuff. And then our TV.
And then our TV. And we're watching Bizarre Barg. Bizarre Barg. And then this is a couch with my stuff on it for some reason.
Oh, the stuff on the dog.
This is...
Okay,
so that was that.
We'll
go back over.
This is gonna go over. Wait, we gotta show them dogs from right here. Hey guys, this is our dog. That's Smokey. That's Loki.
They can't see Smokey. It's too dark.
Okay,
we need to slide the door open.
Well, no, we'll see. We'll tell them tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll show you in our next video. This is that for some reason. This is this.
There's a table with towel on food. There's another table on
Alright, well, Skylar, are you in this YouTube video?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to play hide and go seek now. I'm in a Junior. Are you going to count first?
No, I'm hiding.
Oh, you're hiding? Alright, so Junior's going to carry this. One, so she finds the thing, and you find a place. You're going to bring me the camera, and then you're going to go hide.
We count, and then we come and get the. You count, and you come.
Right. You just show them the places, and I'll come when I'm ready. And I'm counting to 40, or no, 20.
And then I'm gonna put the phone over there. Hey guys, we're gonna play hide and seek. Come on, Skylar. Skylar, how about you hide in here? No, too crowded. Come on, Skylar. Skylar, go hide in the closet. I'm gonna be hiding.
Are you ready?
No, I'm coming to put the phone down. Count.
I'll say 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I'm not ready because I found a spot.
Okay, another 20 seconds. Now hurry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Ready or not, here I come. And I'm going to pick that up while I was coming. But ready or not, here I come. And I'm going to go through here. I'm going to look in the, an odd closet. Which they can't hide in there. So I know they could be in the food pantry. Ta-da! He's in the pantry. Okay, now I have to find Skylar. Skylar, which is my sister. Oh, and there's a closet in the pantry. Left all the time. I wanna see you in my eyes. What do you want? No, be quiet. I have to find it. Okay, shh. I wanna be like all the time. I gotta find my sister. If she's in this bedroom, she's not in there. She's not in there. I know she's not under the bed. I heard giggling.
That was me.
Okay, it's pretty obvious. This was moved. There's still
That was
no.
Junior.
Oh, hello.
That was Junior.
Okay, well, I found them.
I did that.
I found you first, and now you're counting. So,
Bye, guys. We are gonna comment down below and join us in our next hide and seek game.